Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I love making everything that has to do with junk journals, and if this is something you enjoy too, please subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I have 1,000 subscriber giveaway. To enter, you just need to subscribe and leave a respectful comment. Shout out to Sue, Maybelline, Lynn, Joyce, Jane, and Nancy. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today, guys, I thought we would do a page to go inside of envelope. So, as you know, these are the colors that I'm working with for the new giveaway journal. And I have a few envelopes here. Oh, I have a few envelopes here. Yeah, that's right. And I'd like to pick the one I want to go with my paper I'm making. I really like this one. So I'm going to choose this envelope. And I had made some gel printing pages a while back. I have a video about that. And this is one of them. And I really think it looks very pretty with this. And I'd like to make this a page that we put inside of our envelope. So what I'd like to do first is measure what size this page needs to be. I'd like to be able to get it in very comfortably. I can't speak today. Comfortably. Is that a word? I don't know. Well, anyway, I want to be able to put it in this envelope easily. And so I'd like to make it smaller than the envelope by maybe about right here, I think. I think I would like to cut it here. I would like to cut it right down there. And then we can choose which side we would like to use. All right, I definitely want to use the wider one. I don't want to use the smaller one. Besides, this one's prettier anyway. It has those colors on it that I'm really enjoying. So what I'd like to do is to get my gathered twigs, distressed ink, and yes, that's the right one. I thought for a minute that was not the right one. I think that's pretty old. I'm going to change my pad. It isn't looking good. Okay, I have a new one. So I would like to just ink up the edges just a bit. And hope everyone's doing well today. And if not, I hope it all changes around for you quickly. We're in the midst of an ice storm. Yes. So I'm at home and I'm making videos. Hopefully the power doesn't go out and I can still upload videos. If you don't see me for a little while, you'll probably know that's what happened. But hopefully it'll all be good. So I'm going to go around so you don't have to watch me do this. Alrighty, we got that all finished. So I would like to put some words on here, and I really think I might want to use black. I think I do. We're going to, this is the word block that I like so much, and it's from, what is this from? Stampabilities. And I'm just going to put a little more ink on here, I do believe. That's very faint. That came out very faint. Oh yes, that's much nicer. I like it a little darker. Very nice. And we're going to make this for our envelope that we're going to put in our giveaway journal. This is another one of my favorite stamps, Hero Arts. So I'd like to use this as well. Let's see here. Very nice. Lovely. And just a few right here. And some right here. All right. Set that aside. Now, it's really not a right and a wrong, but I kind of like it this way best. So I have my little stamp here. This is a Fiskars, and it's going to stamp out this little image, and I'd like to put this on the edge or the top. What do I want? Maybe just the top of the paper. So we're going to put this in like so, and I'd like to position it evenly. That's evenly. Get it pushed in there completely. Push it down. Oh my gosh, you guys. Isn't that pretty? That is so beautiful, right? Yes, maybe see it better this way. I love that. So now I'd like to measure this, and I'd like to fold it for this to come down halfway or part ways. See if I can fold this up to fit in here, to be exactly how I want it. It could be a little larger. This is going to be way too big by about this much. Okay. Is that going to make it? I think that will work. I do think I need to ink it up just a little bit before be gentle with it. It's not super delicate, but I'm sure it's more delicate than if it hadn't been cut out. There we go. Hold it down. So, oh my goodness, so when you open it up, it'll be like that, and you can write in it. And then we will put it inside our envelope. Sealed there on the bottom a little bit. Perfect. Just perfect. I will decorate this envelope in another video, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.